In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your WP travel engine theme, a crucial step to make your website truly reflect your brand and style. Customizing a WordPress theme might seem like a daunting task, but by following a series of straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a standout website. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. To do this, open your preferred web browser and go to your domain.com/WP admin. Here, you'll be prompted to log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you should see your WordPress dashboard, the command center where all website modifications begin. Next, it's time to open the theme customizer. From your dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu, click on Appearance, and then select Customize. This section allows you to alter various aspects of your theme, such as colors, fonts, and layout. Think of it as the painter's canvas where you can fine-tune your website's visual elements. Begin by editing your site identity. In the Customizer panel, click on Site Identity. Here, you have the options to change your site's logo, title, tagline, and even the favicon. Each of these elements plays a vital role in how visitors perceive your website. So take your time experimenting with what best represents your brand. Moving on, you might want to refine your site's colors and fonts to align with your brand's aesthetics. In the Customizer, click on the Colors and Fonts section. This area allows you to adjust brand colors and font styles. For maximum impact, ensure that the colors and typography complement each other while keeping readability in mind. If you're customizing the homepage layout, you have several options. Go to the homepage settings. You can access the front page settings directly, or if your theme supports it, use Elementor for detailed drag and drop customization. This flexibility lets you add or rearrange sections such as the Hero section, Trips, About, and Contact, giving you full control over the first impression your homepage makes. Don't forget to customize your trip pages. These are critical for travel themes. Go to WP Travel Engine, navigate to Settings, and then select Trip Pages. Here, you can tweak the layout and presentation of your trip offerings to attract more bookings. After making these customizations, it's vital to save your changes. Find the Publish button located at the top of the Customizer panel. Clicking Publish will apply all the tweaks you've made to your live site, ensuring that your hard work is effectively displayed for your audience. By following these steps, you've successfully customized your WP Travel Engine theme, crafting a website that's not only functional, but also uniquely yours. Remember, customization is an ongoing process, and small changes over time can lead to significant improvements in user experience and engagement. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!